Have you ever wondered why some resumes/CVs get read and some others don't? Are you wondering what it takes to get someone to do more than simply scan and actually take notice? I plan to answer those questions for you and much more. In this series of videos, I'll give you actionable steps and examples designed to help you create the right resume or CV for the job you want. If you're thinking, I'll just skim through this content and apply it at some point in the future, don't, because this video series requires you to focus your efforts and put in the work. But don't worry, I'll be here to guide you through the process and help you every step of the way. Hi, this is Craft Digital, and welcome to Creating a Great Resume. As a branding and marketing specialist, I will use my straightforward approach to help you get the results. You will need to take notes, so get out your pen and paper, and when you're ready, let's begin.